Okay, today I'm going to start doing some painting. I haven't done the walls yet, but I just want to do the ceiling. So I look like I've done something. Anyway, first thing you got to do, mix your paint. Yeah, you need something to mix your paint before you open it. Yeah, sorry, not before you open it. Before you start using it, pouring it, because what will happen, it settles at the bottom, so you mix it up so it all becomes the same consistency. Then you pour it out in your roller tray. Let me just move this for a minute. Pour it out in your roller tray, cover your roller evenly, and then bosh, you're on the ceiling. Let me just do this on here. Oh, not bad at all, not bad at all. Right, so I'm going to crack on with that, and I'll show you as much as I can while I go along. Right, now let me just try and show you this now. Get our roller out of the tray. You got your lid off. You can just use your brush and just get your paint into your tray. Yeah, what you need to do, what would be advisable to do, is have a bit of plastic bag or something, or you're not going to use your carpet again, so it's okay, but put your thing where it won't get paint everywhere, because once you step in it, then you're going to get it all over the place, for real. Right, so I'll rest that there for now. When you're pouring your paint, yeah, see where my thumb is? You can hold it however you like. You pour to the bottom tray. Yeah, when you stop, twist, stop the drip, hold it, get your brush, and you wipe it off so you don't get all the paint running down onto your carpet or your floor or whatever it is. Yeah, so you put that away now that you got that done, and you get the lid on it just for now. Brush, put it to one side, and your roller. Alright, now this is what you do. Get it evenly covered with paint. Yeah, and I'm just going to give you a quick sample. If you come up in the ceiling, right, when you're doing the corners, because this isn't mask and everything, it doesn't matter because we're going to paint everything. Yeah, there you go. You may have to give it several coats, but that's how easy it is. And be aware, as you're painting here, remember where your tray is. Because you see where my feet is? You see where the tray is? One roll move, I'll be stepping into it. But before I go any further, let me just show you this part quickly. When it comes to your ceiling, your light fitting, this bit here just unscrews. So if you let that, this is loose. Just unscrew that. Don't do what I'm doing now, putting your fingers all around it because it's still live. Yeah? And when you paint around here, you could either do it with your roller or just cut it in with your brush. Alright, let me just get my brush because I have a video person at the moment. Let me show you. See, we got paint on there, but that doesn't matter because when this goes back on, it covers all of that. Okay, so that's it for now, and I'm gonna crack on, and I'll see you again soon. Right, now when you're rolling, yeah, if you get paint on your woodwork, because it's a water-based paint, it's always a good idea to wipe it off straight away. Yeah, it just makes it easier for you. See that bit how easy it comes off? See the bit where I left it before? Not so easy. So what you're trying to do is save yourself the hard work. Yeah, it will come off if I rub it. See? It will come off. But it comes off a lot easier if you get it straight away. So have a wet cloth with you as you go along. So if it's this hard to come off now, imagine when it's proper dried. Okay, we'll stop there for a minute.
You're getting better with your phone.
Okay, sorry, before we stop, this is what I've done. I've rolled right around the room and up to the edges, yeah? Then I just get my roller and hit the rest of it. Now, when you're rolling, try keep going in the same direction where possible, and don't try to get too much paint on it at one time. Just take it in stages. One coat, let it dry properly, and then another coat. Don't try to cover the whole lot of it in one hit. It will just be a nightmare in the long run. Okay? So come. Right, now we have along here, you can see where we've rolled there and we rolled there. So what you got to do with that is get your paint, your paintbrush, get a dollop of paint on it. Yeah, don't wipe the paint off because you want it on the wall. Yeah, put it on nice and thick. Now you can see from here on the edges there that it hasn't been cleaned out properly, because what you want is a nice square line. For example here, you see just there where it's nice and even there, get yourself a good dollop of paint and bosh. Inside there, that's where the plaster wasn't, the place wasn't plastered properly basically. Yeah, just put a good dollop in there, and on the edges wipe the paint off. Don't leave the mark of the paint. You see like there for example, you want to spread that out, because if that dries it will stay like that. Yeah, don't keep going over it and over it. Stuff like this, peel it off, get rid of it. There you go. All this lot, you can just try and get rid of it. See what's happening? It's taking down the whole of the ceiling, so put it back in place, leave it. Otherwise you're going to end up with a nightmare. Right, as we move further down in this direction, you can, again, a good dollop of paint to fill the gap. Yeah, wipe out the line, wipe out the line. Keep an eye on it as you're going forward, so that you can, if you do decide to get runs, you just wipe it over. Mold cleaner, yeah? Now, bleach and some warm water, just as good. No need to pay extra. Who took off them shoes and left it right in the middle of the flooring? Mad people them.